Hi, I'm Dandelion, volunteer at the Friends of the Domes, and today I'm checking out my brand new activity adventure kit. I got bingo and I have a magnifying glass, and there's much more for me to explore, but I couldn't get past this, man. This isn't even on the bingo card, but you know what? It's something cool I found in my backyard. Yeah, wow! Hi, I'm Mr. Pete with the Friends of the Domes. Today with our activity adventure kits, we're going to take a look at Backyard Nature Detective. In this fantastic kit, you can get a lot of things. We have two different options, but you could get our backyard bingo set, which comes with 5 cards and 25 pieces. There's all kinds of wonderful things. Oh, look, a squirrel. Hey, a tree. Is that a bee? Wow. We also have this fantastic bug box. You can catch bugs, take a look at them with the magnifier, and speaking of magnifiers, this fantastic magnifying glass. It has 2 lenses. We also have 2 projects for you. One is our weather window, which you cut out the pictures, put the pictures on here of the clouds, hold it up, and it's a cloud ID finder. Oh wow, look, that's a cumulus cloud. We also have your other project, which is an animal track ID window. You go ahead and glue that together, put on the stickers, the tracks on one side. Oh, nature's giving us a little bit of wind. And put the stickers of the tracks on one side and the animals on the other. And one other thing I want to tell you about is this amazing book, One Small Square. This one covers the backyard, has a nice ruler around here, some wonderful pictures, lots of information, and a few ideas and activities. All that and much more with your Backyard Nature Detective Activity Adventure Kit. Thanks for supporting the Domes, and we'll see you soon. Check out more on the website.